Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Olymp Trade channel, where we discuss all things trading. In today's video, we are going to explore the popular technical indicator, the Fibonacci level. If you are ready, let's dive in. In this video, I'll show you how you can use the sequence to make more informed trading decisions, improve your trading, and increase your profit. But before we proceed, hit that like button and subscribe for more trading secrets. First of all, what is the Fibonacci? It is just named after an Italian mathematician, Leonardo di Pisa. The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two numbers before it. Let's consider this example. 0 plus 0 gives us 0. 0 plus 1 gives us 1. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. 2 plus 1 gives us 3. 3 plus 2 gives us 5. And we have 5 plus 3 giving us 8. And it moves on and on. It sounds cool, right? But what does the sequence of numbers have to do with trading? Let's examine some trading scenarios where the Fibonacci sequence can be significant. Let's examine some trading scenarios where the Fibonacci level or Fibonacci sequence can be very significant. And to do that, join me as I share my screen with you. So on the Olymp Trade platform, in order to add the Fibonacci level, we first come to the technical analysis tab. That is on this tab. You can see we have a drop down for the drawing tools, and we have the Fibonacci levels. With just one click, it gets added onto your chart. In my case, I have two assets. That is, I'm monitoring two assets at the same time. That is the Australian dollar, US dollar, because of the higher rate of return, that is 90%, and Brent, because the market is fairly stable at this point. So in an uptrend, what happens is that we move or we rotate the Fibonacci level, vice versa. That is, we have the 0 level touching our level of resistance, and we have the 100% touching our support level. Because one, we are trying to identify key areas or key regions that we can identify very good entry point. In this case, for Brent, for instance, we can see that there's an impulse, that is, the market is consolidating, but I believe that price will break out of the zone. So what I would do is I would extend the Fibonacci to touch, that is, these two. Okay, so now break it down to 5 minutes. Price, as you can see, price has started retracing back. At this level, I think I'm going to add the RSI indicator just so I can identify the volume, or to serve as a confirmation for the various entry points. So as you can see, the Australian dollar USD is overbought. We have Brent consolidating around the same level. So once price touches these three levels, remember the trend of the market moves like waves or swings. So you'll see price testing the various levels. So once price tests either the 23rd percentile, 38th percentile, it means that it is respecting these various levels. So these are the levels that we need to look out for in order to identify a very good entry point. So once price breaks out of the 23rd level, I'm more than likely that is to open a down trade, because I would believe that the price has started to pull back. So one moment, let's see. So I have my trade duration set up, that is for 5 minutes, and also the trade amount of 800. And guys, before I forget, if you haven't checked out our podcast, that is between myself, Shabazz, and Gaspar, I would really encourage you to check it out. In that podcast, we discuss our main motivation for trading, or general recommendation about how you can analyze the market on a day-to-day, especially if you are considering trading as your main job or as a main hobby. So let's see. So price is still about to test this level. Okay. Yes. So back to the podcast. So I'd really encourage you to like, subscribe to the channel as well, just so you don't miss any of our useful content or valuable content in this regard. And let's see. So price is going to test this level. So let's see. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to open an up trade once we touch the 38th percentile. Okay. I think price is still respecting this level. Let's see what 1 minute has to offer. Oh, on 1 minute, I think, one moment, on 1 minute, around 38. Perfect. So here we go. Good entry point. So you made an up trade. Here, switch back to 5 minutes. Perfect. Here's a good confirmation. So we just broke out of the 23rd percentile for 5 minutes. On AD, I think price has retested, so we need to adjust our resistance level because price has already tested the 0.647 range. So we break it down again and see. On Brent, we have a clear uptrend here. As you can see, we have the RSI that is breaking above the 50th percentile. So in any case, I'm tempted to open another deal. But first, let's wait for our second confirmation. That is at the 53rd percentile or 50th percentile. Let's see. Here we go. And also, guys, if you have any question or if you want us to discuss any indicator on the platform, please do not hesitate to write them below in the comment section. Share your thoughts about this indicator, especially if you've used it for some time and you want other subscribers to also tap into your rich body of knowledge. Do not hesitate to put them in the comment section below, and feel free to recommend any indicator that you want us to dive into in our next video. So still waiting on Brent. So with Brent, I think we should have about a minute. No, so price moving steady rise. Bingo. We have an uptrend here. Let's see. Waiting for Brent to touch this level. And I think on the Euro USD, let's look at gold. Gold has started moving down. So what do? Change the levels once again. This is we take our first impulse. Ideally, I will choose this level on a 5 minute time frame and extend it below. Move back to 1 minute. On Brent, we are about to hit our golden ratio. So 0.5. Price is more likely to break out at this point. So we have a minute more to go. So once we've tested, why don't I move another step up on gold? Let's move back. Still consolidating. On Brent, very good movement, pretty solid. I think I would rather opt to have Brent here. Let's see. And then we have profit. just some few minutes, and then this trade close. So we just started, so you'd realize that high origin, that is once we have a solid rejection here, that is at 50%. But then price, I believe, once we've crossed this mark and also we have the RSI above the 50 percentile, price is predicted to move, to continue moving up. So let's see. Gold, things should be good. Bingo, so we just made $640. And I just also received several risk-free trades as well. Quite impressive, a lot of massive giveaways on Olymp Trade. Okay, so I guess we'll sum up here. Thank you guys for joining, and I do believe, or I hope that you found this video very useful. I do encourage you to check out the Fibonacci level that is on your demo account. At least I would encourage you to try practicing on your demo account in order to better understand, or you can even complement it with any strategy that you've developed in order to identify key retracement level and also good entry and exit point in order to limit your risk of losing, especially on FTT mode. On Forex mode, with a very good stop loss of about 25% or maybe 10%, I do believe that you'd be able to more or less, incline or move up your level of success. Now you know how to harness the Fibonacci magic. I encourage you to use it wisely by practicing on a demo account, and you'll be trading like a pro in no time. I hope you enjoyed this guide. If you found this guide valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.